Welcome to Bangkok, the electrifying capital of Thailand, where old-world charm meets modern cityscapes. Known as the City of Angels, Bangkok is a sprawling metropolis that pulses with energy day and night. This guide will navigate you through its iconic landmarks, vibrant nightlife, hidden gems, and essential tips for your 2025 visit. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned traveler, Bangkok always has something new to offer. A brief history of Bangkok. Founded in 1782 by King Rama I, Bangkok served as the capital of the Chakri dynasty and quickly flourished into a major trading hub. Once a small village along the Chao Phraya River, Bangkok transformed into a vibrant city that intertwines royal heritage with modern progress. It's a place where gilded temples share space with glass skyscrapers, and street vendors compete with gourmet dining experiences. Fun fact: Bangkok's full name in Thai is the longest place name in the world, consisting of over 150 characters. Top tourist destinations in Bangkok: the Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew. No trip to Bangkok is complete without visiting the Grand Palace, the city's most famous landmark. This opulent complex has been the official residence of Thai kings since 1782. Within its walls lies Wat Phra Kaew, or the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, which houses Thailand's most revered Buddha statue. Wat Arun. Known as the Temple of Dawn, Wat Arun is one of Bangkok's most iconic temples. The stunning central spire, or prang, reaches 70 meters high and is intricately decorated with porcelain. Visit during sunrise or sunset for an awe-inspiring view of the temple reflecting on the Chao Phraya River. Chatuchak Weekend Market. If shopping is on your agenda, the sprawling Chatuchak Market is a must-visit. With over 15,000 stalls, this market has everything from clothing and antiques to street food and exotic plants. It's a treasure trove for bargain hunters and those looking to get lost in the chaos of Bangkok's markets. Fun fact: Chatuchak Market is one of the world's largest weekend markets, attracting over 200,000 visitors every weekend. Muay Thai in Bangkok, where to watch the action. Muay Thai enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that Bangkok is the heart of this martial art. Catching a live match is an unforgettable experience. Lumpini Boxing Stadium. The mecca of Muay Thai, Lumpini Stadium has hosted legendary matches for decades. Recently moved to the Ram Inthra area, it's the place to see the best fighters in action. Matches are held multiple times a week, and ticket prices range from 30 to 150 Australian dollars depending on seating. Rajadamnern Stadium. Another iconic venue, Rajadamnern Stadium, offers a traditional setting to watch Muay Thai. With a history dating back to 1945, this is where the sport's traditions and pride come alive. The atmosphere is electric, with local fans cheering passionately for their favorite fighters. Fun fact: Muay Thai fighters begin training as early as 6 years old, honing their skills through daily practice and discipline. Accommodation options for every budget. For those on a low budget, Lub D Bangkok Silom is perfect for budget-conscious travelers. It offers stylish dorm rooms and private rooms starting around 15 Australian dollars per night. With a central location and modern amenities, it's a great base for exploring the city. For a medium budget, consider Rambutri Village Inn and Plaza. Located near Khao San Road, Rambutri Village Inn provides comfortable rooms with a pool and rooftop views, making it a mid-range favorite. Rooms start around 60 Australian dollars per night, and it's close to the city's bustling backpacker district. For a high budget, the Mandarin Oriental Bangkok is the place to be. This iconic riverside hotel is renowned for its history and world-class service. Prices start from 400 Australian dollars per night, offering a refined experience with opulent rooms, a spa, and river views. Local nightlife: sports bars, nightclubs, and lady bars. If you're looking to catch a game, the Sportsman on Sukhumvit Soi 13 is the place to be. With numerous screens showing everything from football to UFC and pool tables for a game or two, it's a popular hangout for expats and sports fans. Bangkok is famous for its vibrant nightlife. For an unforgettable night out, head to Route 66 on Royal City Avenue, one of the city's most famous clubs. Expect international DJs, themed nights, and a great crowd. Another top pick is Sing Sing Theatre in Thong Lo, a fusion of a nightclub and a cabaret show set in a 1930s Shanghai-inspired decor. The go-to area for lady bars is Nana Plaza and Soi Cowboy. Nana Plaza is often referred to as the world's largest adult playground, offering a lively atmosphere and an array of bars. Soi Cowboy, named after an American expat cowboy, is a street filled with neon-lit bars and a lively atmosphere that's a staple of Bangkok's nightlife scene. The history of Khao San Road. Khao San Road is the epicenter of Bangkok's backpacking scene. Historically, it was a rice market, but in the 1980s, it began transforming into a budget traveler's paradise. Today, Khao San Road is packed with street food vendors, hostels, bars, and shops. By night, it becomes a buzzing party street with everything from reggae music to thumping dance tracks. Fun fact, Khao San Road is only about 1 kilometer long, but sees millions of visitors every year, making it one of the busiest streets in Bangkok. Popular street foods and must-visit restaurants. Street foods to try. First, we have Pad Thai, a staple in Thai cuisine. You'll find the best versions at street stalls. Try the famous Thip Samai Pad Thai near Khao San Road, known for its wok-tossed noodles with fresh shrimp and a hint of smokiness. And to end your street food journey, don't miss out on mango sticky rice, Thailand's favorite dessert. Mae Vari in Thong Lo is renowned for its sweet and perfectly ripe mangoes paired with sticky rice. Now let's talk about some must-visit restaurants. Gagan Anand, Bangkok's premier progressive Indian cuisine restaurant, is ranked as one of Asia's best. Chef Gagan Anand's menu offers an experiential dining adventure not to be missed. For authentic Thai food with a twist, visit Air near the Grand Palace. The restaurant serves up a modern take on classic street food in a cozy, rustic setting. Transportation options in Bangkok. Bangkok's transportation network is comprehensive, offering options for every traveler's style and budget. First, there's the SkyTrain, also known as the BTS. It's fast and efficient, making it ideal for getting around the city's main districts without getting stuck in traffic. Then we have tuk-tuks. While iconic, tuk-tuks are best for short trips. They're a fun way to zip through Bangkok's narrow streets, but remember to negotiate the fare beforehand. Lastly, Chao Phraya river ferries offer a scenic way to travel and are a great option for reaching riverside attractions like the Grand Palace and Wat Arun. Final tips for travelers. First, let's talk about the weather. Bangkok is hot year-round, but the best time to visit is from November to February, when temperatures are milder and the weather is drier. For safety, be cautious of scams, especially around tourist attractions. Always use metered taxis or reliable ride-sharing apps like Grab. And here's a fun fact. Bangkok's traffic congestion is legendary, and locals say the best way to travel is to use the SkyTrain or river ferries. Bangkok is a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions blend with modernity, and every corner offers something new to discover. Whether you're exploring the grandeur of the Grand Palace, diving into the street food scene, or dancing the night away at RCA, Bangkok is a city that captivates and surprises at every turn. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share this video with your friends on your social media. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel where we post videos of our most popular blogs each week. Stay tuned for more in our Provinces of Thailand Complete Travel Guide series.